Let's say you've told your processor the biggest sale you're going to make is $500, and you wake up one morning and you've got a $5,000 order. Hi, I'm Bob Bryant. I'm a payment processing specialist with MerchantStream. If you have a merchant account, no matter what processor it happens to be with, whether you're established or a new merchant, and you want to learn more about things you need to know, like and subscribe to our videos, and we'll notify you when we put out more. Today's topic deals with your processor holding your funds due to the receipt of an order that's much larger than you normally receive. What I mean is, let's say you've told your processor the biggest sale you're going to make is $500, and you wake up one morning and you've got a $5,000 order. That's wonderful, but it's also 10 times higher than you told your processor you'd make. So the bells and whistles and red flags start going up and down in the risk management office of your credit card processor. At that point, they put a hold on your deposit. You may not know they put a hold on it until you're missing your funds the next day. And when you call in, you'll be told at that time, yes, we're holding that order for review. And what you should do above and beyond, whether you reach out directly or if you get a direct call, you need to be polite. People at processors deal with angry merchants all day long, and you'd be surprised at what just a tiny bit of kindness will do to these folks that have to listen to people gripe at them 24/7. Ask them what you need to do to resolve the issue. If it's a big order and it's your first one, they may want to see a couple of months of your checking account statements. Why? They want to make sure that you have sufficient funds in the event that the order is charged back by the customer. The last thing a processor wants to do is to get a chargeback. You don't have any money, and they have to eat it. So that's one of the reasons they'll hold. They also will hold money on orders that they perceive are going to known fraud addresses. That way, you don't get stuck, and neither do they. It's understandable that you're unhappy when something gets held, but just remember there's generally a reason. If you have a large purchase order, they may want to call your customer directly and find out if they have received the product. Because according to the contract you signed, this is every processor out there, you agreed that you weren't going to charge the cards until you'd provided your products, or at least in this case, ship the products. If you need the money first to ship the order, that may turn into be an issue, and you might want to reach out elsewhere for a short loan so you can get the money to pay for it. The processor may or may not let you process it without shipping first. In fact, the processor can tell you that you cannot process the order at all. Your credit card processing agreement is not a blank check to get the ability to process any and all orders. It's pretty specific, and it's defined by the contract that you signed. The best thing you can do if you know that a big order is coming is to call your processor. Say, hey, I've got a government order or school order or personal order, whatever it is, that's going to be much larger than I normally take. What do you need from me? The first thing they're probably going to do is send you a high ticket limit form. And that's where you're going to put the high amount that you're expecting to receive. And you may or may not have to provide bank statements to get that approved because, again, they consider the risk and they want to make sure that you're able to withstand the hit if indeed it should come. And with histories, your history personally as a merchant with whatever processor you're with, large orders will become less of an issue the longer you process. MerchantStream payment processing specialists know the best ways to get high ticket amounts approved and funded. You might want to think about comparing costs today. Every processor has the same base cost. The difference is their business model. Normally, we save merchants 20% or more over their current cost of processing, And if you operate a retail business, we'd love to talk to you about our new surcharge model that actually you pay zero on all credit card charges and you get a free state-of-the-art credit card terminal. You're welcome to ask us any questions that you'd like in the comments, and we'll take them as they come, answer them honestly. Also, feel free to reach out and call us. We'd love the chance to visit with you. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next video. Merchant Stream appreciates your support. Please like and subscribe to get updates and leave comments. It helps the algorithm, and we definitely appreciate your support. Thanks so much.